Hiya, so today a new toy has come in the post. I bought myself a new gimbal. It was a Kickstarter I saw a few months ago. In fact, I ordered it on the 20th of October and it came yesterday, so that's 87 days it took to get here. But I did order before the Kickstarter had closed and they'd started manufacture, and I think I was in the 4th batch of deliveries, so not too bad for a Kickstarter delivery time. I've not opened the box yet. It's quite light. So this is an Atom 3-axis gimbal from SNOPPA. First thing I've noticed is there is a little bit of room in the box. You can hear it shaking. Hopefully it's not been shaken around too much. So let's just get in there. I'm not going to review it or anything today. I'm just going to get into the box, make sure everything's okay. Oh, forgot about that. I also got a little mini tripod that came with it. I think that goes on the feet at the bottom. Cardboard. Nothing but cardboard in there. This is the box. Okay, a few little English instructions. It's a foldable gimbal. I'm not sure if you can see that. The gimbal folds up and then it extends. It comes in pink and black. I did order the black one. I'm hoping it's the black one in here. Should be, yeah, midnight black. It's designed for your iPhone, or well, any mobile phone to be honest. So it's foldable and portable, fast phone mounting, no balancing required. With wireless and wired charging for mobile phones, so it'll actually charge up your mobile device through a little cable, or even just by sticking it on the back of the pad. It's got an external microphone jack, blah 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 blah, 360 panorama and all that jazz. There's a better picture of it. I do actually already own a Stabiliser, which fits both iPhones and like GoPro action cameras, and I'll do a comparison later on. This was a little bit cheaper than that. I'm just trying to work out how to get into the box. There's a sticker here on the bottom. Here we go. There's a little QR code on the bottom as well. It'll probably take me to the app. Still trying to get into it. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Little box. Again, another little sticky label. Stop me getting in there. Oh, I do like the look of it already. So it's designed to fit in your pocket. Okay, that's just going to probably just pop straight out. One good thing I did see about this is it doesn't immediately start flopping around when you take it out of whatever you've packed it in, whether it's your pocket or your camera bag. They've got these little lock-in things that. So I do that one. Which way am I turning it? Yeah, they got these little lock. There we go. They've got these little locks in place. There we go. So now it's free, and you can pop your phone in and turn it on. It's very light. It's very light. Apparently it's 414 grams. The other thing I was a little bit annoyed about is when it came through customs. So I paid for shipping to the UK. So I think this on Kickstarter was $79, which is about £61. And then the paid shipping. I can't remember what the shipping was to the UK, but they had a price on the website. And then when it got here, it's still got flagged by customs, and I had to pay another £23 customs and handling charges. The handling charges from the delivery company. So yeah, I've not even read any instructions or anything. I'm literally just assuming which way is up. I'm guessing that's the bottom. I just want to see if my phone fits in. So this is an iPhone XS Max. Oh yeah, that fits in. That's really easy as well. Sometimes you get gimbals and they're really stiff. That's with the case on as well. So I've got a case on. Again, I've not turned it on yet. Loads of buttons. So I'm going to have to read and figure out what all these do. These are nice, two little nice trigger buttons. Jack port, and then yeah, you get a little toggle switch. I guess these go through the modes. Little loop there to put it on a little bracket. Yeah, that's nice. Feels plasticky. There's like a rubber strip here for grip. I like that. Feels really nice in the hand. Okay. Yeah, I guess it should be that way. I don't even know which one the on button is. I'm going to try turning it on. No. So I've not even charged it yet, so there we go. Need to charge it up and have a play with it, and then come back with a little how it's used, guys. Okay, that's it for now. Like I say, I'll put links in the other videos when I load them up on how I find how to use it, how to use the app, and how to. Oh, let's have a look at this mini tripod. How to. I'm going to compare it as well to the other gimbal I've got. See how it stacks up. So I'm just going to lock. I'm just going to lock these so they're not flopping around. So that's locked. That way, that's locked. That one stays there until you fold it up, I think. So this just screws in the bottom of the tripod. Screws in, and then you can open that up. And yeah, even with no phone in there, it stands in there. I really like that. That's nice. That's really nice. So yeah. Anyway, any batteries and wires and things? Let's have a look. Assuming the battery's inside it. Maybe not. A nice little carry case. That's quite nice. This has got to be instructions. Okay, little instruction manual. Excellent, I'll have to read that, learn what all those buttons are. And, oh brilliant, so you got your cables, different phone types. So, no idea what that one is. Or that one. That's your auxiliary jack. I thought these were supposed to come as iPhone cables. Okay, I'll check the cables out as well. Brilliant.